today I want to review America's favorite best-selling rice cooker, AROMA Professional. This is the Professional series. So you have the entry level and the Professional series. One thing that sets the Professional series apart from the basic is just the material of inside the rice cooker. This has ceramic coating, so just trying to be more health conscious and realizing what my food touches and interacts with. I just want to be healthier and safer. And I feel like this just hits the spot. I love all the features. So right off the back, you have a large display control panel. You get a steam tray. You get a storage lid that's silicone. Let's see here, what other cool things are in here? So they say it has Heat Flow Pro, fast balance heating, heats faster, more evenly with 11% energy saving for delicious, consistent results. That's pretty cool. And I just love this, that you can do white rice, brown white rice. You can use it as a slow cooker, a steamer. You could even cook yogurt. I'm gonna have to look that one up because I don't know how you make yogurt in this. Sauté, soup, cake, oatmeal as a delay timer and keep warm. So that's really interesting. Now that I'm thinking about it and processing that, it's almost like having a traditional slow cooker, but at the same time, something that is primarily focused on cooking rice. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm really curious what's in this. What do we get? Right off the bat, look at this. When you open it up, they have a picture of granola, which is weird. I don't know how a rice cooker could incorporate or cook that, but I guarantee you that's going to be one of the recipes that I'm going to first try. All right, and this is really cool. Right off, when you open it up, they have this QR code with product information, so it's really easy to find all the information. Gives you a quick start guide. If you're like me and you just want to jump in there and start using the machine and not read the instructions, it's perfect. Perfect for guys. We get instruction manual. This is the silicone lid that they were talking about. High quality, really like it. Even has a spot where you can pull up. Really good packaging. I love some manufacturers, they're just not doing a good quality packaging nowadays, and this I feel is really secure. It's not going to rattle, it's not going to move in the box when it's shipped, so you don't have to worry about it not coming in one piece when you get it. This is a big guy. Wow. So as you can see, and then if you want to come in and zoom in on the front part there, it is massive. The control interface, being able to click on it, it's big buttons. So this is perfect. And then right here you have this fancy steamer, so you can put green beans, vegetables, and steam it as your rice is cooking. So that's really cool. A little measuring cup, spoon, fork to stir, and then, just as they say, a very ceramic, good quality interior material. I don't see any scratches, dings. It looks really good. I don't know if the camera or the lighting can pick it up, but you can see just good quality overall. And then this is what it looks like at the bottom, the base of it. And so overall, it's rock solid. I spent a lot of time reviewing different rice cookers, and at the end of the day, this was number one in my list. I highly recommend it. I think you should buy it as well.